Okay, y'all. If y'all don't know, this is my hubs, Craig. I got a new box of spring products in again, and he loved the stuff so much that I decided, and there was one really cool product in there that he just absolutely loved. So I made him, I asked him to, well, I didn't make him, I asked him to do an unboxing video because, sorry, that was my dog. I asked him to do an unboxing video because he thought one of the products was so stinking cool. So I'm going to have him do the unboxing for this, spring stuff. Yeah, I have no words. All right, go for it, Craig.
Okay.
Y'all can tell this is completely unplanned.
First one.
All right, first one.
Small utility tote.
Small utility tote. I got another one in the green and white stripes. Do you love that, Craig?
Yes, it's awesome. I like green. So
they call it,
front pocket.
Yeah, the front pocket. They call it the little sister of the large utility tote. What would you use that for, Craig?
Books.
Books? Because you read so much?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, what's next?
All right, second one is the duffel bag. What's it called?
The all-packed duffel.
All-packed duffel.
So this is our product that is, it's one of our products that's on sale this month. So if you spend $35, you get this duffel for half price. Show them my favorite part, honey, which is a shoe pocket.
Mesh.
So
zipper cover, and then your shoes go in to this little pocket. It's sealed off from the rest of the bag, so your shoes can be messy and they don't get your stuff messy.
Oh, he's so good at this. Yep, your shoes will never touch the clothes that's inside your bag. I love this for like ball season.
And a front zipper.
And then front zipper pocket, yeah. So it comes in 3 different prints. You can get this green striped, a charcoal for boys, or a floral print for you ladies. Okay, what's next, honey?
Next is the little
snacker.
Snacker, yes.
We sold out of those, honey, in less than 24 hours the last time they came out.
Really?
All 3 prints sold in 24 hours. Nobody even got one. So, except for the people that, it's got thermal lining in the inside. So you can put grapes in there, snacks. I put chocolate in there so it don't melt in my purse. Oh, so that's the Little Mermaid. Y'all, that's going to go in Liv's Easter basket, so don't tell her. Okay, so there's Little Mermaid. All right, now this is the last product, and this is the one, when I showed him, he thought that was the coolest thing ever, and the first thing that he said was, that's 31? I was like, oh yeah. So this is the other thing that's going in Liv's Easter basket. So show them what it is. Show them the size of it. Like, hold your hand up so they can see how little it is. So it's super little, and this is a mermaid tail. We also have a crab, and we have a flamingo. Yeah, it looks like a little ball. Okay, now show them the magic that it does. So you can put this like in your bag, like in your beach bag, but if you need a tote for when you go shopping, y'all, look how cool this is. It turns into a bag. Is that not so cool? This is called our fold away tote. How cute is that? And then it comes out and it looks just like a bag.
Like a little Walmart bag.
Yeah, it's like a little shopping bag. Is that not so cute? So you can keep that in your purse so you're always ready if you need a bag. It's great for vacations. That is just the cutest thing ever. And then it folds up. See how Craig's doing it? It just folds up super easy back into a little ball. And then you just tighten the string back up. It comes in a crab, a flamingo, or this adorable mermaid. Y'all, is that not so cute?
You say super easy, my fingers don't work.
Your fingers don't work. You're doing it. Look how cute that is. We know. The women know, and it'll be easier for us than it is for you men. Oh, babe. So is those not so cute? And these are while supplies last. So when they sell out, they're gone. So if y'all love them, don't wait too long to get them. So that's it. Craig, you did an amazing job. Thank you, honey. All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye.